Kurt's going to be here today. We can hardly wait. It seems his plane was delayed. The reason, the Vice President and Air Force Two were landing at Sky Harbor International Airport. We'll show you a snippet in a minute.
Ha! I'm on my way to the airport.
Can you tell that Chris is excited?
I see you! Hop in!
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a little less hectic. I don't know why, but...
What happened? Was it just,
the delay?
Yeah, the delay.
Yeah, they're an hour and a half. I'm not sure why.
Wow.
I think the plane before the one that got to Seattle was late.
Yeah.
So everything was pushed back.
Helping make minor repairs is really big for us, and Kurt really goes out of his way to help his dad.
That's cool.
I'm sure.
I know. Say hi!
My pretty boy. You're so cute.
Our favorite guard, Chris, he is so helpful.
Ha! I'm on my way to the airport. Should see Kurt in about an hour. Can hardly wait. What's weird is that medicine is starting to get to me again today. But as soon as I got in the truck and I could focus on him, I'm feeling a whole lot better. This is really cool. Game for about a day and a half. Man, that's going to be great. So if you don't already know it, bud, love you. I'm going to shut it off now so I can concentrate on driving and not missing my exit for the airport. It gets squirrelier and weirder every time I try to go there. Terminal 3, that's what I need. Hawaiian Air. See you in a little bit, bud. Bye. I see you! Hop in! Just so you know, that's recording. Ah! And those two are the microphones.
All right.
And I'll shut it off in just a minute or so. Nice move, buddy.
It is busy.
Yeah, it's been horrible busy.
Man.
And they're real snotty about you wanting to sit and idle for any length of time.
Oh yeah, I saw a lady here chasing people off
Yeah?
while I was waiting. She was having none of it.
And again, it doesn't help having a vehicle as wide as this.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a little less hectic. I don't know why, but...
What happened? Was it just...
the delay?
Yeah, the delay.
Yeah, they're an hour and a half. I'm not sure why.
Wow.
I think the plane before the one that got to Seattle was late.
Yeah.
So everything was pushed back. Kind of a bummer because I left at like 9 in the morning
Oh my God,
just to
I'm
get
sorry.
to the airport.
Yeah.
And then we got there faster than expected, and then the flight was delayed, so I was sitting around the airport for a few hours. Nice full day of travel.
Oh yeah.
Gotta love it.
Holy cow.
Well, you've had plenty of travel just to get here and wait for me too. Sorry, I was a little off on the estimate.
That's not bad at all, and it's not your fault. Wow, let me shut this off. It's not getting anything.
But really, a lot of people out here just wanting to watch this moment. Again, a lot of people with their phones out, with American flags out, even people driving through the Sky Harbor here, through the airport, are even asking us out their window, shouting, you know, is this for Charlie Kirk? So I think a lot of people do know that he had a really big presence here and was being brought back here today. So Derek, kind of, you know, walk us through what you're seeing.
Okay. There we go. Nice new awning.
Some temporary awning and topper patches and cleaning the solar panel.
It's Sunday morning, and Grizz and I are out on our normal morning walk and enjoy the day routine. Like I've always said, first part is Grizz's opportunity to do what he'd like to do. Then we go and do a little workout for me, and then he gets a little workout on his skills. And then we head back to home. Yesterday, I took Kurt over to some friends in Phoenix.
Say some stupid stuff.
Say some dumb stuff. Do it. Go.
Oh, wait a second. Wait.
I think Nina, one of his friends, is having a birthday, so he had an opportunity to spend some time with her and her husband, and they had a little birthday bash going there with a bunch of other friends over, and I think it was a 70s themed party. We actually spent some time at the used clothing store, a Goodwill, and picked up Kurt a tie-dyed shirt to wear for the party. It was pretty entertaining doing the shopping in there. Brought back a lot of memories for me. Wow. And dropped him off. Had such a wonderful time with him. Such an amazing young man. Missed his lady, Katie. Hopefully we'll get to see her again someday in the future. And then we'll finish today off. I'll do my regular routine after I'm done with my lifting and Grizz's work and back home to the RV. And tomorrow is Monday and we'll be moving again. So we'll head back over to Monte Vista. It's a 10-minute ride. It's a fun trip. We'll take our time and enjoy it. Set up there, which will take most of the rest of the day, and then just kind of wind down and enjoy our time off once we're through. So Grizz is obviously missing Kurt. He seems a little more sullen that his new old friend isn't here to pet and to love on him. But that's okay. He'll see him again, hopefully sooner than later. Thank you, Kurt. Love you so much. Bye, bud.
Later, after he leaves, we make another move back to Monte Vista.
Everything you need, baby? You get your sunglasses. We gotta get ready for this stuff.
I know, baby boy. I know.
He, of course, has a fit.
I'm sure.
I know. Say hi.
My pretty boy. You're so cute. Okay, laugh all you want. I don't care.
Insiders, we hope you are getting some good use out of those hats. Let us know.
We're back at Monte Vista, and it's another beautiful day out. Just enough clouds to help cut the heat of the sun. Nice, cool temperatures. And today I've got a doctor's visit with Dr. K. We're hoping for some really good news. I think Shelley's going to be able to come along on this one. We'll see. One way or the other. We're going to do what we need to do to make everything work. So, Grizz and I are finishing up our morning walk. We started out kind of early today, and we're going to head back to the RV and grab a bite. Food, that is. Catch you guys in a bit. Bye.
Thank you all for spending your Sunday afternoons here with us on OLT. Please, travel safe.